Alright guys, gdwarrior back with my new tire, Avon 250. Look at that bitch. Woo. This thing is mean looking. It's just beautiful. So we're gonna go on a quick ride. Hopefully it's not gonna fucking rain. And I'm gonna do a quick speed shifting video for you guys. I tried to do it twice already, but unfortunately it was too dark. All right. I see you, man. Have a good day. All right. Oh yeah, this is so much better. Oh yeah, this is good. This feels amazing. So this tire has to be broken in just like any other tire. Some people say, oh, you don't need to break a tire in. Yes, you actually do, because you see that glossy shiny film on the tire? The glossy film on that freaking tire needs to be shaved off. Plus, so if you pick up your tire from the shop and you ride it, your tire actually increases in size up to 7%. So that means it decreases the tire pressure also by up to 7%. So what you're gonna have to do is, after, like, 100 miles or so, you have to check your tire pressure one more time and fill it up when the tire is cold. Makes sense? Anyways, so speed shifting, that's the subject for today. I'm gonna be riding to my body, and in the meantime I'm gonna show you how to speed shift. And basically speed shifting is clutchless shifting. Yes, it's doable. And no, if you do it the right way, oh my god, this thing is flying. When you do it the right way, it's not bad for your engine. I mean, that's based on my own research. I've done a lot of research about that, because I'm very fucking paranoid about my bike. I don't want to mess it up, and I haven't found anything so far that says, oh, you will definitely damage your engine or anything like that. So anyways, okay, speed shifting, what it basically is you won't use the clutch lever anymore. Okay, what you do is, on your shifter, you are gonna apply a pressure to the shifter, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna blip the throttle while you push the shifter up. You shift up, okay? So blip it. What is blipping? Yeah, I'll show you. Actually, it's gonna be the other way with my hand. So you're gonna let go of the throttle just a little bit. You're not gonna close it. It's still gonna be open, but you're gonna just blip it like this. Okay, tick. You see me? Tick, tick. You're gonna blip it like that once you start riding. Don't downshift like that, because that's when you can fuck up your engine. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Pay attention to my right hand, and I will be having pressure on my shifter, and then when you blip it out, instantaneously and simultaneously we're going to okay, so look, I'm applying right now pressure to my shifter. Boom, you see that? I didn't even use the clutch lever. That's blipping. So let's do it again. Let me downshift once. Oh, that was neutral. You see that? Blipped it. And let's do it again. Under 10. I'm flying, man. Woo. Oh my god, that new tire feels amazing. Like, I can barely feel any vibrations of the bike anymore. Holy Christ. Like, I used to have like this vibration in my ass area and it's gone. And as you can see, I'm going 85 miles an hour right now, and I virtually have no vibrations in my handlebars. Like, it's actually much easier on my hands. Anyways, let me show you how to speed shift one more time. So I'm at 4th right now. Let's switch it up to 3rd. Alright, I'm in 3rd gear right now, so I'm applying pressure to the shifter. And now watch my hand. See that? That's blipping the throttle while it's shifting. It's much faster. So if you have a race, somebody, instead of doing this, and you know, this takes time away from your win, basically. So oh yeah, it's so much smoother, even over little bumps that I will usually feel with the Messler. So I'm going 100 miles an hour right now, and it's amazing. God, the tire feels good. Avon Cobra AV72 250. Yeah, it's fucking great, man. Big difference. Big difference to the Metzer 260 they had before. See, I'm cruising right now. What is that, like 85? I can cruise with one hand. Like, no vibration at all. Zero. Completely nothing. I'm not advising you to cruise with one hand on the highway. Don't do that. Finally back on the fucking road, man. Jesus. Feels good. I was doing all these how-to videos, unboxing videos, how to, you know, do this and walk around videos that I didn't even ride. But now it feels good to be back on the road. I gotta watch my speed. I'm over 90 miles an hour and I don't even notice it. Oh, this is great.